Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at the messages for the last 15 days of April. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Scorpios for the last 15 days of April. Messages for Scorpios for the last 15 days of April. So we have the Three of Cups, the King of Cups, the Page of Cups, the World, the Knight of Pentacles, High Priestess, the Page of Wands, Eight of Cups, and the Strength. Okay. Okay, so Scorpios, with the Three of Cups, the King of Cups, and the Page of Cups, what I feel is either it is a celebration or something which is going on in your with your family and friends, or it is some sort of a reunion. So maybe either you are celebrating a reunion or a routine get together or partying and all with your friends and family. See, to me it's looking like as if someone from this party or someone from this gathering has a lot of emotions for you, and this person is opening up emotionally to you. It's something like that that is coming to me. Okay, so there are a lot of, either you have a lot of emotions for somebody here who is related to this reunion or this gathering, or either you are wanting a reunion with someone. It can be that also. Okay, so either you are wanting a reunion with someone, or maybe you are actually having a small group or something like that, and you are emotional for this person and you decide to open up. That's what it is. And as you open up, it is an entirely different chapter of your life. You're opening new doors, a new life for yourself. And what I feel here is that somehow the vibe which I'm getting here is initially things are very emotional type of all cups and cups. Emotions are there, a lot of emotions are there. They may be shown or they may not be shown that much, but yes, there is a lot of the vibe which I'm getting is yes, a lot of emotions are on display, or it is a very emotional moment, something like that we can put up. Okay, and then with things get grounded with the Knight of Pentacles, High Priestess, and the World, what I feel here is things are getting grounded. You enter the new chapter and now things are getting grounded. Okay, it's something like that. Now this emotional aspect has come to a little bit of a low, and the practicality perhaps has taken up, and because of that now this love aspect is a little slow and steady. It is there, but perhaps you are focusing on other things since you have really entered a new chapter of your life. So here what I feel is there is not much movement over here, not much action. Things are there, and maybe you're just trying to deal with whatever it is, but I really don't see that outburst of emotions and that outburst of energy over here as it was at it's totally contrast. It is a silent and a still type of an energy here, not bad, but yes. Okay, now it's like when you get married, initially it's the honeymoon phase, and then it comes to the reality. It's the energy is like that, it's something like that. Okay, so whatever you are moving towards, it is stable, it is committed, it is, you're moving slowly and steadily towards it using your intuition. It is a different chapter of your life. Maybe it is a wise decision on your part to go slow. It can be that also, because whatever is happening is totally different and totally new for you. It can be as simple as that. So maybe that is the practical decision which you feel is right, and that is why you are like that, and whatever the situation is. Okay, and then we have the Page of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Strength. So what I feel here is it's like you are definitely having a new beginning. You are ready for a new beginning over here with the Page of Wands. So here it is like emotional offer, or somebody is opening up emotionally, it's an emotional offer, and here you are getting ready to execute something new. Maybe this phase of time was you were making preparations, it can be that also. So perhaps emotions and love was on the side, and you were focusing on work, practicality, stability, and that is why this is a sort of a stable and a little slow period. Okay, and now maybe this is you are preparing for something, it can be that also, whatever it is. And now once you have prepared, you are now ready to make a move with the Page of Wands. Okay, and this is something which is not easy. Whatever this journey is all about, whatever you are preparing for, you are getting ready for that, and for that you have to leave something behind which is very emotional for you. So it seems to be something positive. The vibe which I'm getting with the Page of Wands is, it is a new enthusiasm, a new zeal. You are entering a new world, you are beginning a new life for yourself. So it's like somebody going to school, somebody going to the college, it's something like that. That is the vibe. So you're starting a new journey over here, and for that maybe you have to leave something which is emotional behind, and it's not easy for you, and because of that you are dealing here with a lot of strength. So it's requiring a lot of strength to leave that emotional aspect behind for this journey towards which you are planning to move, or you are moving, something like that. So let's see what is the message from this deck for Scorpios. Nine of Diamonds. So reviewing and contemplating. Again, you are just looking back and having a hard look, having a look what you have achieved, what you have gained, where you are moving. It's something like that. Being nostalgic. Okay, so this one flipped out. Embrace those around you. Number 5 may be of some significance for you. This is the time of great spiritual growth for you, making it even more important to surround yourself with those who love you and share your beliefs. Be willing to accept help from others. You could find comfort in traditional solutions, or your heart may long to try out new ideas. Anyway, this is the one which popped out. Let me have one more card for the Scorpios. Let's have one more card for the Scorpio. Guidance from the angels for Scorpios. Healer of action. This is the time when you can do whatever you set your mind to if your heart is open. You are being asked to do many things at once. You won't mind as long as you know you are making the difference. This card indicates someone who is loving, intelligent, passionate, and fun, which could be you. This person can handle difficult situations with grace. So Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.